During this semester, I have learned 6 major things that I feel are the most important to my future as an educator. I learned from the brain-based learning, field experiences, cooperative learning ideas, team lessons, class meetings, and technology applications. I learned from my brain-based learning book that we all learn in different ways as students. So us, as educators, should watch and learn each individual student's success from different lessons and create lessons based off of that. In my field experience, I learned and saw firsthand that we do all learn different, but I also learned that I will be able to help ELL learners learn through different teaching methods. During team lessons, I learned we all understand things differently, and one of us may learn something that the others didn't, and we all had to work together and separately to make all of our parts fit together. This shows that we do all learn in different ways, and working as teams can be very helpful. I learned through cooperative learning that worksheets and lectures are not always the best methods of learning. Working in teams can benefit your learning and keep you engaged. During our class meetings, I have learned that cooperative learning truly works and should be used when possible. Due to our class meetings having cooperative learning in them, I have learned more than I normally do in a sit-down lecture class. Lastly, I learned how beneficial technology applications can be for the students and the teacher. These applications can be used to give students brain breaks, learn something new from an educational video, and have small game quizzes done to track the students' progress. All of these lessons I learned and interrelate to each other because using technology applications during class meetings keeps the students engaged and ready to work on an activity, while cooperative learning helps students learn in different ways with their teams, which helps multiple different levels of learning methods for all the students that do learn different, which is what we are taught about in the brain-based learning book to help each individual student learn the way they are able to.